Sometimes you want to adjust one clip's out point and also the following clip's in point. In other words, you want to move the cut point between the two clips, but you don't want to affect the overall duration of the two clips or the placement of subsequent clips in time. You could accomplish this with regular trimming in 2 or more moves, or you can do it in one move using the Rolling Edit tool. Here I've opened a project called Rolling to provide an example. Let's look at the cut between these two shots. Because I've cut on the action, these two different shots almost seem to be the same action from different angles. But I'd like to move the cut point to match this marker in the music. In other words, I'd like to trim the out point of the first shot and the in point of the second shot by exactly the same amount. If I'm lucky, the motion in the two shots will continue to match. Now I could make 2 regular trim edits, like this. Or I could do that in one move. I'll undo that. I'll grab the Rolling Edit tool. And I'll zoom into the timeline a little bit by pressing the plus key. When I position the Rolling Edit tool at the cut point, it becomes active. Now all I have to do is drag to trim both the in point and the out point simultaneously. In other words, I'm moving the cut point. And because snapping is on, it snaps to that marker in the music. And if the motion of the surfers in both shots match more or less, I should still have a pretty good edit. This kind of edit can be especially useful if the different shots really do match, as would be the case in a multi-camera shoot. Rolling edits also make it easy to create split edits, also called L-cuts or J-cuts.